Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by verifying essentials: subscription, Norton installed, and a reliable network. Open Norton and sign in. Do not create multiple accounts. Once done, select Cloud Backup from the main dashboard and click Add Backup Set to start. Choose folders or system items you need backed up first. Prioritize documents and photos. Make sure storage estimates fit your plan, then pick a schedule: continuous, daily, or manual. This initial setup saves time and avoids missed files later. Now you'll configure the backup details so the process runs smoothly. Select exact folders and file types. Exclude large temp or system files to save space. Once selected, set the schedule: continuous for active work, daily for routine, or manual when needed. Then limit upload bandwidth if your connection is shared, and enable client-side encryption with a strong passphrase for privacy. Finally, pick versioning and retention rules so older copies are kept for recovery. Start the initial backup and watch the progress pane. Small files complete first, so expect staged uploads. Once done, verify integrity by restoring 1 or 2 sample files to a temporary folder. This proves your recovery path works. If backup stalls or reports errors, make sure your firewall or proxy allows Norton, confirm free cloud and local disk space, and check your account limits. If problems persist, restart the Norton client and retry the upload. Often that clears transient network or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.